Hey all, it's a yucky, cloudy day. Although the sun has appeared for the first time in a week or so. Um, it's windy. Let's see if we can get something cooking. And I've been craving chicken smash burgers. I almost like them better than regular smash burgers. Let's get cooking. So unlike turkey, chicken burgers come out just like regular smash burgers. Turkey can come out good, but it needs binders generally, and it's just not as fun. So I'm gonna make some meatballs. Loosely, you don't want your oils from your fingers to mess up your meat too much. No, it's not as sticky as beef, but better than turkey, generally. Oh no, this is a Trader Joe's, they're all natural, blah, blah, blah. Let's see how these turn out. Oh no, I forgot my, something. Parchment paper. Baja, stay here. Usually I use, the Baja the Wonder Dog, our co-host, has found neighbors to play with while they erect. I assume that's going to be a winery behind us in the background. And now she goes and plays with them instead of hanging out with me. And poor guys are trying to work. So, parchment paper. Normally I use parchment paper because it'll keep it from sticking to my press. We'll see how this turns out, shall we? I do the ball because if you've ever made a burger and if I just smush it down, sometimes the middle doesn't get cooked like it should. So this eliminates that issue. Look at that. Look at what a pretty. I'm gonna have to move things around a little. Da 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 da. Because these just squish down so great. And you see, it's not really sticking too bad. We need a bigger griddle, but other than that, these are working out great. Just trying to make a little more room here. Look at that. That's the only sticking we had. So, salt, pepper, garlic blend. Yeah, I could squish it out a little bit more on the edges. Getting down to the bottom, I need to refill this. It's not sprinkling as well as normal. So it's kind of scattered. I still have leftover Trader Joe's everything but the leftover seasoning. This is fantastic on poultry, y'all. They ran out like the day they introduced it to the stores. I went back seriously the next day and it was gone. So I've been sparing. Now this is just a little bit of red pepper, just getting a little extra. And it's just like like a beef burger. When you see it bubbling up through, you flip it. Look at that. That one may have been a little early. Just look at that. Oh, can you smell it? Can you smell it? Gotta have a bun if you're gonna have a burger. Even if it's chicken. And this is ranch, not butter or mayo. Stick it over here on the edge. Turn that down. Let it go a couple minutes. Get that sear. The chicken, the seasonings, the sear. Just makes a delicious burger. Delicious. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Let's see how that's working out. Yeah, give it a little bit more. In fact, let's throw a little bit more leftover seasoning. I'm not used to all the noise out here. This used to be avocado groves before the fires and mudslides and everything else. And like I said, I assume the rumor is, and it looks like they're going to plant grapevines and make their own wine. And that'll probably make me whiny. And I'm not sure how deal with people and noise and the changed landscape. I almost called this, instead of griddle porn, griddle with a view. Because, can you blame me? We're almost there. That one's pretty close. This one's probably almost pretty close. That one needs a little bit more. Almost there. We're so close. See, toasty. That's, you hear the helicopter. It's probably paparazzi coming to see what I'm griddling today. They just won't leave me alone. The price of stardom. Look, doesn't that look tasty? Yes, it does. Don't argue. You know that it looks delicious. So using the ranch dressing, I'm glad you asked. That gives it a, oh, they must be hovering. It gives you a little bit of zest. It doesn't meld in quite as much as a butter or mayo. So it kind of creates a unique crusty and yet soft flavor. I'm gonna make this a double just because I can. Turn that side off. That's on low. We'll go a little more. So we're using Magnificus. You can find it at basically it's McDonald's dressing for their Big Mac or whatever. At Walmart, I think they call it secret sauce. Kroger's brand is something sauce. I don't know. I'm old and forgetful. Anyway, let's get a closer look, shall we? So there they are on the griddle. There they are on the plate. Doesn't that look fantastic? Huh? Don't argue. You know that looks delicious. You want to try it. And there is our changing landscape. And blue and half gray skies. Yum. I'm just gonna enjoy my sandwich. Enjoy the view while there's still a view. And, oh, that is so good. Thanks for watching, y'all. Have a great day. And, thanks for watching. Thanks for following. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. And most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you next time. Bye!